Students, today we will study about algebraic expressions of class 8 RS Agrawal book 8B question number 4. It has given write the coefficient. Firstly, we have to know that coefficient. Whenever a number's coefficient, either a variable's coefficient is asking, then it means it is asking whatever the numbers are multiplying with that variable or a number. That is known as coefficient. As I have given definition in a first part definition. Now it has given x in 13x. So if there is no sign between variable and a constant, then it means there is a sign of multiplication, 13 multiplying with x. Now you can clearly say that which number is multiplying with x, that is 13. So coefficient of x in 13x is 13. Now in second, y minus y in minus 5y. So expand it, y minus 5 is multiplying with y. So what is the coefficient? What is the number multiplying with y? That is minus 5. So minus 5 is the coefficient of y. Now a in 6ab. A in 6ab. So expand it. 6 multiplied with a into b. So by which numbers or variables a is multiplying? That is 6 and b. So its coefficient is 6b. Either whatever the numbers or variables are multiplying, that will be coefficient. Z in 7xz. So it is very easy for you. Z. So whatever the numbers are remain, 7 minus 7x. So easily you can say that coefficient of z is minus 7x. And in next question, same question is given, p in minus 2 pqr. So what are the numbers multiplying with p? 2 multiplied with q multiplied with r. Only whatever the number is given, that number you have to remove from the number, and what is the remain, that whole numbers you have to write. So it is remain minus 2p 2qr. So its answer will be minus 2qr. Next, y square in 8y square z. So what is remain? 8 multiplied with x multiplied with z. We have to remove that number whose coefficient is asking, and rest of the number will be coefficient. 8xz. Now in next question, it is same type of question is given, x square in minus x square. So if there is no number before variable, then I have told you yesterday that we will put 1. So it became minus 1x square. So its coefficient will be minus 1. Now in next question it is asking, write the numerical coefficient. Means only numeral coefficient, not variables we have to write. Now what is the coefficient of AB? Is any number is present, is multiplying with AB? No. As easily we can say that there is no any number which is multiplying with A and B. But I have told you, if there is no any numeral is multiplying with a variable, then always a variable will present with, always a constant will present with variable, that is 1. So its numerical coefficient is 1. Here minus 6 BC. So minus 6 BC, what is the numerical? That is 6. We have to only, whenever numerical constant is asked, we have to write only fixed values. We have to write only constant values whose value can't be changed. Now 7xyz, that is 7. 2x cube y square z. But here only minus 2 is remain. Now in the next question, we have to find the constant term. Listen, constant term means which have only sufficient value that cannot be changed and no any variable is multiplying with that number, with that constant. अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमको ये दिखता है कि 3 भी यहाँ है, 5 भी है, 8 भी है, लेकिन हमको चूज़ करना है एक ऐसा नंबर जिससे कोई भी वेरिएबल मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहा हो, वो सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हो, उसकी वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज किसी भी कंडीशन में न हो. दैट इज नंबर 8. दिस इज कांस्टेंट टर्म. इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2x square minus 9. So minus 9 value can't be changed. So its constant term is minus 9. Here 4y square minus 5y plus 3 by 5. Here 3 by 5 is a number whose value can't be changed. So 3 by 5 is the coefficient. Constant term. Now in the next question, z cube minus 2z square plus z minus 8 by 3. So the constant value is minus 8 by 3. Now we have to identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Listen, we have to know if there are only one term is given in an algebraic expression, that expression is known as the monomial. Whenever two terms are given in an algebraic expression, that algebraic expression is known as the binomial. An algebraic expression in which three terms are given, then that expression is known as the trinomial. And we can only determine by the symbol of plus and minus. As we can see in the first question, minus 2xyz, only one sign is given, so only one term is here, so this is monomial. Here two signs are present. This is 5 is plus, so first sign, and this is plus 7x cube y cube z cube, this is second term. Only two terms are here, so this is binomial. Now in next it has given minus 5x cube, only one term is here, so this is monomial. And here a plus b minus 2c, three signs are here, plus, plus and minus, so three terms are here, so these will be trinomials. In next it has given four terms are given, plus a x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Four terms are given, so these are the quadnomials. It has given in the next question only one term, minus 14. One term is given, this is monomial. In next question 2x plus 1. Two terms are given, two sign are present, both a positive sign are here, that's not a matter, this is binomial. Write all of the algebraic expressions. So we, as I have told you, by the sign of plus and minus we can determine. So whenever plus and minus sign will come, you have to put only comma. So this is first comma minus 6y to the power 4 and plus here, so again comma 7x square y and minus 9. These all four terms are divided, as I have written here, four terms. First term 4x to the power 5, second minus 6y to the power 4, third 7x to the power 2y and minus 9. Sometimes it can also be write like 7x square y. Sometimes plus sign will not put before the terms. It means this is not necessary to put a sign of plus, but for your better understanding it will easier to understand whenever you will put a sign of minus there. Next it has given four terms, 9x cube plus 5z to the power 4 plus 7z to the power 3y and minus xyz. These are 4 terms as I have written by help of comma. Next and today's last question. Identify the like terms. Like terms means wherever the variables are same and the powers are also same, that terms are known as the like term. That's not a matter that is negative or positive. So here a square, is any a square is present? Yes, 1 minus 2a square is present. So these are like terms. Next question. 3x 4y minus yz I 1 upon zy. So we have to know that 1 upon 2 yz is equal to 1 upon 2 zy. In multiplication we can change the position of the numbers. You can think 2 multiplied with 3, either 3 multiplying with 2, always answer will get 6. So in the same way, yz 1 upon 2 yz is equal to 1 upon 2 zy. So here yz minus yz and 1 upon 2 zy minus yz and 1 upon 2 zy, I have written yz from here, are like terms. And here in next question, little bit difficulties are given. Minus 2xy square, x square y, 5y square, x square z. So firstly we have to check x is given, x is here, x square is given, so it can't be like term. But x square is given here also, so it also can't be a like term. Here x y square, x is present and y square is present, so these two terms are like terms. Now you are thinking that in these two terms x square is common, then why we can't say that these are like terms? Because their second variable is different, so these are not a like term. In next question, it is very difficult to understand, so I am interchanging the place of the digit inside of the term. So ABC in the first, a b square c, ac b square, c square ab, b square ac, a square bc and cab square. So ABC, there is no any term is given where only one power is given over a, b and c. And in the second, b square is given, a and c is given. So in the second also, in third also, b square is given, a and c is given. In third, c square is given, so it can't be a like term. In fourth, b square is given and a and c is given. And fourth, a square is given, so it can't be a like term. And in next, cab square, b square is given and c and a is given. So all these four numbers, all these four terms are like terms to whom I have ticked. These are like terms. Now it is enough for today. Now we will continue tomorrow with new questions, new problems. So follow me for continuous study and share this video with your friends.